2017 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, remote keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, steel wheels, split bench seat, rear wheel drive, wheel covers, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.